Alright, this is the back side of the sleigh bed. We are restoring the finish. Now this one is underway and is being prepared for finish restoring. Okay, so as we continue to finish the sanding process, then we will start the staining. Okay, here's the finished product. Gooder than new. You too can restore your bed frame. This is a sleigh bed. This is the completion of restoring the sleigh bed. There we have it. Very nicely done. Bed rails came out nice. Okay, there's the finish. All right, and the overview of the bed. Okay, this concludes restoring the finish on a sleigh bed. Easy home improvement tips. Like, subscribe, share. Tell a friend it's a win-win-win, and never give up, because it's always a way. Always. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.